everybody, I put together this quick screencast to show you how to set up categories as tabs on your WordPress.com website. So you'll see here, depending on the format and the style of the template that you're using, it may look a little different. In my case, the tabs are right here across the top. You probably have a home and an about tab that's just native to your website. Here I've added COM 601, COM 610. Special shout out to Stacy Cacciatore for figuring out how to do this. So just to give you a quick idea, if you're logged in like I am, you'll go to your dashboard to get started, and you'll want to look at your posts. So in my case, I've already updated all this. So you see here I have categories, COM 610, COM 601. If you haven't been using categories at all, the categories are going to look like something called uncategorized. If you have all your categories uncategorized, that's a beautiful thing. If you've created your own categories, you can go in and change them. So how do you do that? Well, you see here under all post, right? We have categories. So you name your category, you type the name in here. I'm just going to do COM test as my new category. Now, if I had 17 posts under uncategorized, I would just edit uncategorized, put the name there that I wanted, COM test 2, right, and update, and it would automatically change all of those that I had before. So that can be a really quick way. Otherwise, going back to your posts, to change the category, you're going to have to go to Edit. Look down the side, you'll see here your categories. You'll click it, and you'll click Update. So it may be a little time intensive depending on how many posts you have. But you get your categories set up first. So once you have your categories correct, we're going to go down here to Appearance. So in some, it may say here where I'm going to menus, it may say custom menus, but anyway, this one just says menus. So Appearance, Menus, we're going to click here. This is now how we're going to worry about what's on top of the page. So it should automatically be open to this, this idea of pages. So you'll see here it has my most recent pages about. Yours might show home and about. That's fine, right? Whatever it's showing is probably what's already on your page. You'll go down here to categories, and you will click on whatever shows here. So most used, and then view all. Now since I don't have anything posted on COM test, we're going to use that one. We're going to add it to the menu. It didn't show in most used. So if you've not posted yet for COM 610, you may not have your post up. Just go to view all. It'll show there. So as you saw, I selected it, I had pressed add to menu, and it came over here into this section called menu structure. So you'll see home and about were already there. COM 601, COM 610, COM test. They may not line up this way, but you'll see that if you want to move them, you just put the little crosshairs on it, you slide them, and they move. Very easy. Now, the final part of this that can be tricky is you see here where it says menu settings. You want to look for the locations. Again, depending on your theme, mine says top menu and footer menu because I have both. Yours may say primary menu, but wherever this was already set is probably going to be fine. But just make sure that's selected, right? And then you save. Then we go back and look at our page, and you'll see here we've added a new tab. And so just to show you what this is going to look like, I don't have anything under COM test, but to go look at COM 601, it will be called Category Archives, and then everything that I've categorized as COM 601 is going to be there. And that's it. So that hopefully will help anyone who's having problems getting their category set. It took me about 2 hours to figure that out, and if I can save you guys some time, I'm happy to do it. So have fun, and I look forward to reading your blogs.